from there and let's see how the morale is, and after that we'll see what to do. The first bad news is that I forgot that it is your class today and I did not bring my disk drive in which I had Cosmos the way we decided how we were going to engage the few next classes. So yeah, sorry. मुझे भी आज सुबह स्कूल आने के बाद I saw that I have ninth class today. I'm still little messed up about the timetable. My bad. This one was on me. I'll make sure in the next class I have that ready. I'll just copy it in my laptop today itself. That one is on me. Have you downloaded Cosmos, Shubham Sahu?
मैम फेसबुक पे मिल गई थी.
That's the problem ना कि उसमें quality नहीं आ रही है. When it is in your computer downloaded, then you will get the quality. और stream करने में quality और उसकी down हो जाती है. See, you can of course always download and watch it, but the thing is that sometimes it's fun watching with the people that you like. It's more like
मैम फेसबुक पे ऑप्शन भी आता है.
yes.
मैम फेसबुक की वीडियोस में क्वालिटी का ऑप्शन भी आता है, तो मैम मैं इसको इंक्रीज कर दिखा दूंगा.
बेटा मेरी बात को समझो, क्वालिटी तो YouTube पे 1080 भी है, लेकिन वो स्क्रीन शेयरिंग पे स्ट्रीम नहीं हो पाता है बिकॉज ऑफ सम रिस्ट्रेंट्स और कंस्ट्रेंट. हम लोगों का नेटवर्क उसे सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है. I also tried to show videos. Another bad news is that today I got an awesome idea on how to torture you next, which will be periodic 3 assessment, and I just got it out of nowhere, and now you'll have to do it, of course, because I don't have any better idea for third assessment, and that will be map work. Because you have been slacking a lot, मैं यहाँ तुम लोगों को कराने की कोशिश कर रही थी, and you made it difficult for me, so I have decided to make it more difficult for you, and you will have to make a map file. मैप फाइल बनाने के बेसिक्स क्या है शायद मैं बता चुकी हूँ, बट आई जस्ट रिपीट इट फॉर यू. मैप फाइल बनाने का बेसिक ये है, सबसे पहली चीज, इट शुड बी ऑन A4 साइज, not bigger than that, not smaller than that. On an A4 size paper, I am expecting that you will hand trace the map of India. Now when you're hand tracing the map of India, you will have to make sure that you are tracing the islands also, and you will be tracing the maps politically. The political maps you will be tracing, so it will take more time. A trick I can give you, you can use multiple carbons, and you can make like 4-5 maps in one go, but you will have to be super precise, super careful, no mistakes in that. And carbon, if it is a yellow carbon, it works better. It does not leave any mark on the paper. I'm just going to repeat it. I'm just going to repeat it for everybody's sake. Just if you use the yellow carbon, it will be better, and that is how you will make a map file. But abhi tak aisa tha that it had a question mark, when to do, how to do, what to do. But I am still not sure because nobody has talked about periodic assessment 3. But when I am asked, I'm going to propose that the map file work will be given as a periodic assessment 3 for you people. तो जैसे मैं तुम लोगों से क्वेश्चन भी करती रहती हूँ, तो whatever the questions, I'm still not sure what we will do. Maybe we'll make a Google form with some questions that are based solely on the map work. Maybe, it's a big maybe, but I am expecting a map file from you, and you have exactly 15 days for that. The more creative it is, the more marks you will get, because all the maps are already there. You just have to copy it. But what creativity level you are using, and just don't make it too ugly. Just don't make it too ugly. उसके अंदर तुम कौन सा, what we have to locate on map, पूजित, whatever is in your syllabus, तुम्हें हर चीज का एक एक मैप बनाना पड़ेगा. चैप्टर 1 का एक मैप, चैप्टर 2 का एक मैप, जितने उसके अंदर मैप दिए हुए हैं, आप लोगों को मैंने फाइल का लिंक दे रखा है कि आपको कौन सा वर्क करना है, कौन से मैप्स बनाने हैं।
मैम
यस
मैम जो आपने लिस्ट मैम जो आप रिजल्ट मैम वो कौन सी शीट में है मैम, वही वाले सारे बनाने हैं ना?
यस, वो सारी चीजें आपको बनानी है एंड हर चीज का अलग अलग मैप बनाना है। ये नहीं कि एक ही मैप लिया उसमें सब कुछ बना दिया। देर विल बी एटलीस्ट 7-8 मैप, एटलीस्ट 7-8 मैप्स। उसके अंदर सेक्शनल मैप्स भी होंगे कुछ, जिसमें आपको हिमालय अलग से बनाने का दिखेगा। सो
मैम
यूल
वर्ल्ड
हैव
मैप भी बनाने हैं?
वर्ल्ड मैप पे मैं जा रही हूँ, अभी मैं ज्योग्राफी के मैप्स की बात कर रही थी। एक मैप उसमें फ्रांस का होगा एंड वर्ल्ड मैप के लिए यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक यूरोप, नॉट द होल वर्ल्ड मैप, यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक यूरोप, बिकॉज उसके अंदर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ही मार्क करनी है, हमें वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 से रिलेटेड मैप ही बनाना है। आप लोग लिस्ट देखेंगे, उसके अंदर आपको दिख जाएगा कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज मार्क करनी है। एंड हम लोग यूरोप के मैप वर्क की प्रैक्टिस कर चुके हैं, आई रिमेम्बर दैट वेरी वेरी वेल। बाकी का जो मैप वर्क है, सिंस यू पीपल आर नॉट कोऑपरेटिंग, सो आई विल गिव दैट ऑल टू यू, यू विल डू द वर्क, इट्स ऑल ऑन यू, यू हैव 15 days, जस्ट डू इट। और अगर तुम्हें ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू विल नॉट हैव टू सबमिट इट, यू विल हैव टू फिजिकली सबमिट इट। अब वो कैसे क्या होगा, सम टाइम विल टेल, you will get the news from now on. You might have to come school sooner than you expect, but 15 days is the deadline from my side. Just complete it and keep it with you. Whenever I'll have to evaluate, I'll ask for it, और मैं केवल 2 दिन का टाइम दूंगी कि मुझे अब ये चाहिए। Yes, yes, there are some flying rumors and reports. Nothing has been confirmed yet, but yes, it might be the case. Maybe not full time, maybe not all the time, but a big question mark on how things will proceed. But yes, things are going, looking this way that we might have some classes soon here. तो तुम्हारे पास बाद में टाइम नहीं होगा, दिस इज द टाइम, बट यू आर नॉट इन फर्स्ट टू एट, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम, यू आर नॉट इन फर्स्ट टू एट, you are in class 9th, and your evaluation becomes more important because you have already been promoted from 8th to 9th directly. So this year we'll have to find people who actually would make it to the next class, and not just make it with flying colors. So is there any question regarding the map work or the map file? If there is, just ask me today. I do not want to repeat myself again and again. Just start working. और फाइल बन रही है तो फाइल कैसी होती है? There are separate pages. Do not make it on one copy and just give it to me. Make separate pages, attach it, and the file cover should also be handmade. I do not want plastic file covers. They just clog up the space. They are useless. The file cover also has to be handmade. And do not think that you can just print a map and paste it somewhere and I will not know. If you do that, it's instantly minus 50%. Do not try to fool me into this work. You do not have to waste any kind of money. You just have to use your creativity more. And if we get the classes as the way things are going, I am expecting that your project work is also ready. I do have most of your project work report in my email option, but if we get a chance, I would like to collect it personally as well. So जहां पे भी तुमने उसे गाड़ के रखा है उसे निकाल लेना। यस नकुल।
मैम बट आई एम आउट ऑफ स्टेशन।
अरे तो कल थोड़ी आना है।
मैम मैं थोड़ा टाइम मैम बाद में आऊंगा मैम, 15 दिन बाद ही आऊंगा।
हाँ तो बेटा 15 दिन का तो मैंने तुम्हें काम करने के लिए टाइम दिया है, मैं ये थोड़ी बोल रही हूँ कि 15 दिन बाद आना है। It may be later than that. बट ऐसा है कि मैं तुम्हें आज बोलूं कि कल चाहिए तो तुम लोग फिर बोलोगे कि अरे हमें तो टाइम ही नहीं मिला। मैं तुम्हें एडवांस में रिपोर्ट दे रही हूँ कि मुझे तुमसे क्या काम चाहिए। अब वो तुम 15 दिन बाद आओ, 20 दिन बाद आओ, दैट इज टोटली अप टू यू। You want the marks of this one, periodic 2. You want that? Okay, I can tell you your
Yes,
marks
ma'am.
if you want. Excuse me. To be honest, I have still not made the deduction for the people who have not sent the PPT, क्योंकि मैं अभी PPTs review नहीं कर पाई। जूनियर क्लासेस का अभी भी evaluation चल ही रहा है। So this is just on the basis of your presentation and your oral test. Yes, who was asking? Pujit. Okay. Pujit, I have given you 40. 40 out of 40. Shubham. Okay. शुभम, मेरा मैच थोड़ा वीक है, तुम अपनी तरफ पर से कैलकुलेट कर लेना। 8, 8, 9 and 7. I'm not going to put much of my brain power here. Nakul, Pranav. Nakul, I've given you 39. Pranav, I've given you 8, 8, 8 and 6. Nilay, I've given you 10, 9, 9 and 6.
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दो।
888 and 6, whatever that amounts to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 40 out of 40 is the highest. जितने लोगों को भी आया है वो highest में है। See, if you want my feedback, I can give you an honest feedback of how your people perform for those who actually perform. The thing is, you had to make it simple for everybody to understand. You did not have to make it like कि ना मैंने यहाँ से copy कर दिया, यहाँ से paste कर दिया, just got a PPT from somewhere and started presenting it. Quizzes, you want the quizzes one also? रुको, I keep getting confused, मैंने किस चीज के marks कहाँ लिख रखे हैं। Okay, so this is storytelling, so that must be quiz work. I can tell you your marks in the quiz. I gave you 10, you made a nice quiz, Pujit. Pranav and Nakul. Yes, 7, Pranav, Nakul 9, Shubham. I gave you 5, your quiz was not up to my standards. देखो ये जितने चीजें हैं ना, ये सब के मार्क्स ना मल्टीपल असेसमेंट में ऐड होंगे, तो वैसे भी तुम्हें इंडिविजुअली इन पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं है। ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर फ्लेक्सिबल। Periodic flexible नहीं है, but the other things are flexible. If you perform well in some other activity, I might increase your marks. I will not reduce anybody's marks, but I might increase your marks if you are working well in some other field, if you are working hard. The multiple assessment is the most fluid assessment that I will make this year. So you have all the chances to improve your record, to improve your rapport, and to score good marks. So if you're not getting good marks in one particular activity, just keep working hard, whatever activity is happening. If you're getting very good marks in other activities, I'll have to make all your marks on par for that. इट कांट बी लाइक कि तुम्हें एक में 4 मिला है और बाकी 4 में 10 मिला है. आई विल मेक श्योर दैट यू गेट सम इंक्रीज इन द अदर मार्क्स एज वेल. ठीक है, are we done with this? So map work start working, and I was thinking let's just start a little bit with Russian Revolution, because it's been a while since we read any chapter. But before that I want to ask, is there anything that you wish to ask? Abhi tak jitna bhi ho chuka hai, because we are done with the syllabus. Russian Revolution is the last thing. So if there is anything, any topic, any subtopic that you think that needs to be retaught, just tell me. We'll find some other way to convey that information. Anybody? Anything? अच्छा, यहाँ anybody lives near a wedding hall or something like that, जहाँ पर जो शादियों के गाने बजते हैं, किसी ने सुने हैं अभी रिसेंट में?
मैम आए
नो मैम.
मैम
नहीं,
मेरे
तुम्हें शादी में गाने भी लगते हैं, वो घर पे जो सुनाई देते हैं, बजते हैं, सुने हैं, कभी ध्यान दिया है?
मैम आज ही हुआ था मेरे साथ
Yes, ma'am.
12 बजे।
मैम आज ही हुआ था।
अच्छा,
मैम अभी चल ही रहा है।
एक बात बताओ, जब ये शादियों में गाने बजते हैं, कभी कभी तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं लगता, कहीं कहीं अटेंड भी करते हो या कहीं जाते भी हो, तो ये जो गाने बजते हैं, कुछ शादियों में तो जो है सारे गाने पंजाबी ही बज रहे होते हैं, राइट? कुछ शादियों में जो है गाने ऐसा लगता है कि 20 साल पुराने हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
यस
Have
मैम,
you
और
ever-
next में
कुछ शादियों में बहुत ही पुराने गाने बज रहे होते हैं, कुछ शादियों में जो है सारे रोतले गाने बज रहे होते हैं. It makes you feel like कि यार ये क्या खुशी का अवसर है या पता नहीं क्या, कुछ भी बजाए जा रहे हैं. Do you feel that?
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever noticed कि जिसकी एक्चुअली शादी हो रही होती है, they do not even notice all these things happening, क्योंकि हम लोग एक आउटसाइडर हैं और वहां हमारा कोई स्टेक नहीं है, तो हमें उस चीजों में बहुत सारी चीजें दिखाई देती हैं कि अरे यार ये कैसे गाने बज रहे हैं, क्या बज रहे हैं. कभी भी तुमने देखा जिसके घर में एक्चुअली होती है वो इतना बॉदर कर रहा हो कि कौन सा म्यूजिक बज रहा है? मैंने तो नहीं देखा, सीरियसली मैंने नहीं देखा. एंड आई हैव barely bothered when I was involved in my cousin's wedding, but when I visit somebody's wedding I always notice these things, but because this is how things work. So when you are too much involved in something, there are a lot of things that you miss out on, जानबूझ के नहीं, because you are preoccupied with something, or because you do not think that is important, or because you just think that it's just happening, let it happen. So same was the situation with Russia in the 20th century. वहां के लोग 300 साल पहले की लाइफ जी रहे थे. It was so orthodox, everything was sold. वहां के लोगों के कपड़े, वहां का आर्ट, वहां का कल्चर, वहां की टेक्नोलॉजी, nothing had really advanced in the past 200-300 years. और जो हम लोगों ने देखा कि इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन इट हिट ब्रिटेन इन around 16th 17th century, and in the 18th century it was on its highest roll. अब वहां पर इंडस्ट्रीज बन रही हैं, वहां पर वर्कर हैं, वहां पर एक अनदर वे ऑफ लाइफ हैज इमर्ज्ड. बट रशिया में क्या है, लोग अभी भी फार्मिंग कर रहे थे. द आर्ट एंड कल्चर इट वाज वेरी प्रिमिटिव. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टाइम व्हेन ट्रैवलिंग वाज नॉट दैट फ्रीक्वेंट. People could not travel, be like कि चलो आज मैं यहाँ घूम के आऊं. It was very very difficult. एक रशिया के ही एक रीजन से दूसरे रीजन जाना बहुत मुश्किल था, क्योंकि रशिया खुद इतना बड़ा है. दूसरा, ये जो cultural changes हैं, they prevent people from going from one place to another, and there are only few adventurers who actually go out to other places कि वहां पर क्या है मैं देख कर आऊं. हम अपनी कम्युनिटी में देख लें, ऐसे बहुत कम लोग होंगे जो भी बाहर की कंट्रीज में जाते, दे इधर गो फॉर वर्क, they either go for study. Nobody just goes to, like just चलो travel करके आते हैं, because especially here in the area that we live, people don't just go abroad for holidays, because that is not the cultural norm here. If we have that much money, we would like to invest it someplace else rather than just go around and travel. So the mindset of people was they were very much struggling to make their daily bread. Let's go a little back to France. France में भी same situation थी. The monarchy was there. People were suffering. The nobility or the aristocratic class, they were thriving. They were having parties. They were having fun. While at the same time, the people of the common masses, the people belonging to the lower strata of the society, were struggling really hard just to feed their families. At the same time, taxes, many more taxes, and the monarchy, how the monarchy was living in oblivion. Oblivion means they had no idea what is happening around them. They thought that yes, this is how life is supposed to be. थोड़ी सी तकलीफ है तो क्या हुआ? This is what they are meant to do. Now, when did the French Revolution happen? Which year? Anyone alive in the class? French Revolution कब हुआ था? Or am I just singing to myself?
$1789.
Thanks a lot for breaking the awkward silence. नहीं तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ नहीं कराया है तुम्हें in this meantime. 1789 रशियन रेवोल्यूशन किसी ने खोल के देखा कब हुआ? 1917. कितना डिफरेंस है इसमें? ऑलमोस्ट 150 years, if I am not wrong, if my mathematics is not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो 150 years and the same situation is happening in another part of the world. जिस चीज को छोड़ के फ्रांस इतना आगे बढ़ गया, वो आइडिया रशिया तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाए. For 150 years more, the same system prevailed in Russia. The Russian monarchy was the same, pretty much the same as the French people had. रास्पुतिन को लेके हम लोगों ने एक वीडियो देखा था, और did that work or did that not work? Rasputin video, because I had bad network, I got kicked out of the class. Did you see the Rasputin video? Anybody? Respond. It feels so weird talking to myself again. Arey, who was Rasputin? Anybody? Yes, Pranav. Who was Rasputin? Gregory Rasputin. नाम सुना है कभी इस व्यक्ति का?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, Russian peasant.
Ma'am, he was Russian peasant.
He was basically a Russian person. ये जो होकस पोकस करने वाले लोग होते हैं ना, जो क्लेम करते हैं कि उनके पास दिव्य शक्तियां हैं and they are very powerful. He was one of those people, and what he did was he captured the attention of the royal family. Hemophilia के बारे में मैंने बताया था इस क्लास में. I think I did. Sometimes my memory get muddy. Hemophilia.
Ma'am, it was a disease.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसा डिजीज था? How dangerous was it? Yes, Pranav, you want to say something? Hemophilia में क्या होता है? Can anybody tell me what actually happens in hemophilia?
Ma'am, the blood does not clot.
थोड़ा बायोलॉजी में तुम लोग पढ़ोगे तो you will get to know that hemophilia actually just affects the male population. Females are just the carrier of that gene. Hemophilia जो disease है, that only happens to males. उसमें the blood does not clot. Whenever you start bleeding, the bleeding just does not stop. Basically, you can bleed a whole death. Now, as patriarchy worked, जैसे हमने बात करी है that Russia was living behind the times. They had 3 daughters, and none of them could be the Tsar or the title of the king that was used in Russia. And so they desperately wanted a boy. Finally, they desperately had a boy, but the boy had hemophilia. So they were very, very concerned about the future of their whole system. And of course, any parent will be concerned about their child. And if that parent is a monarch and the whole dynasty depends on that child, they become more paranoid. So the mother of Alexei, or the prince of Russia, she was hysterical. Every time he fell down, he would start bleeding. Because he was a little boy, he would play, he would fell down, he would bleed for hours, and nobody knew how to stop it. And she became pretty much mad and crazy with worry. And at that time, this person, Gregory Rasputin, he came into the life and promised that he will cure Alexei. But actually, what he did, he used his mind techniques to calm down the mother of Alexei, Alexandra. And because she was calm, the child became calm and he stopped bleeding. Because the more panicked you become, the blood pressure increases and you start bleeding more. This is very simple science, but he used that to his domination. And the Tsar and Tsarina, or the king and queen of Russia, they started feeling like that he has some kind of magical, mystical powers. And so they basically started trusting that person, and they thought that he is the only person who can save their child. So whatever absurdity he did, whatever demands he made, they started listening to him. And at the same time, the aristocratic families started believing कि ये क्या है, ये कोई कल का आया आदमी है जो किसान है, peasant है, जो बस claim करता है that he has some power and he is running the country. He is telling the Tsar what to do, what not to do. Because when we're talking about Tsar had all the power. Basically, he was the military commander, he was the administrative commander, he was the judiciary commander, he was the legislative commander. He had all the final powers that a person had, because the system of Russian monarchy was very, very extremely concentrated to one person. And this Tsar Nicholas, he was not a capable person, because it's hereditary. Not everybody can be capable of doing all that work. He was not capable, and at the same time, this was happening, and we will keep on seeing कि उसने कितनी गलतियां करी. His ancestors' mistakes plus his mistakes led to the downfall of the Russian monarchy and brought on the Russian Revolution. France में क्या हुआ? When the revolution happened, they started to form a republic or a democracy. लेकिन रशिया की स्टोरी इट वेंट all the way very differently than anybody would have expected. This was the time जब यहाँ पर क्या चल रहा था, that industrialization was happening. एक middle class emerge करना शुरू कर चुकी थी. There were 2 classes of people. एक जो वर्कर थे और दूसरे वो जो वर्कर्स को मैनेज करते थे. जो वर्कर्स को मैनेज करते थे, they had a lot of money. The people who were working, they did not have much money. They were working very hard, but they did not reap the rewards of the hard work that they were doing. So an idea of socialism emerged. Socialism क्या कि पूरी सोसाइटी जितने भी बेनिफिट्स होगी सबको बांटेगी. अब देखो कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है थ्योरी में बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. So socialism was a very strong theory given by Karl Marx, and then it was actually applied in Russia. It was modified in Russia, and Russia is still a socialist country. And आज आप किसी से भी पूछ लो, even USA is afraid of Russia. और ऐसा नहीं, Russia has a lot of something extraordinary, but the thing is that the power is extremely concentrated and it does not work on the fundamentals of capitalism. Capitalism क्या कि जितना आप कमाओगे, पूंजीवाद, कैपिटल, आप जितना कमाओगे उतने आप पावरफुल हो. तो आप जितना अपना मार्केट बढ़ा सकते हो, आप जितना लोगों को मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हो कि आप मेरा प्रोडक्ट खरीदे, दैट इज हाउ यू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. But in socialism, it does not work like that. Most of the things are controlled by the state, and how they are controlled by the state, that is what we will look into this chapter. Background clear hua? Because the background is very important, otherwise this chapter is very difficult. Last year we faced a lot of problems. I had to teach this chapter 3 times. I am trying to do better this year, so if there is any question, ये जो backdrop है basically जो कहानी का खांचा है वो तुम्हें समझ में आया या नहीं, इसके बाद हम इसमें events fill in करते जाएंगे. Yes, anything, anyone? No, रशिया, देखो रशिया में इलेक्शंस होते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट अ ट्रू डेमोक्रेसी, बिकॉज पुतिन कितने सालों से उनका लीडर है. इट्स नॉट अ ट्रू डेमोक्रेसी. दे डू हैव इलेक्शंस बट दे आर नॉट फेयर. ऐसे देखा जाए तो चाइना में भी इलेक्शन तो होता है, लेकिन हमने चाइना की डीप केस स्टडी कर ली है. चाइना और रशिया इतने पावरफुल बने इसलिए हैं बिकॉज देयर मार्केट इज वर्क्स वेरी डिफरेंटली. देखो सारा खेल ना दुनिया में पैसे का है. पैसा और पावर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं और दोनों को रिलेटेड होते हैं. एनीथिंग एल्स इन द बैकग्राउंड वर्क? ओके, तो अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास से इसके अंदर इवेंट्स फिल इन करना शुरू कर देंगे. थैंक यू.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, and Saira.
Saira ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sai Ram. Thank you.